find inverse matrix for the given matrix or show that no inverse exists. So here's a matrix A, and your goal is to find the inverse matrix of A. Okay, so first of all, you need to augment A with a base matrix or an identity matrix A, matrix I. Okay, so a base matrix I is something look like this. Okay, all right, your goal is to get the left side look the same, the right side diagonal line of 1, and the rest entries are 0. Okay, so first you need to get 1 for this one. All right, so it's simply that multiply the first row by -1, right? So if I did that, I got 1, -3, 0, -1, 0, 0, and rewrite second and third rows. Okay, now here's my pivot. So to get the next step is to get this 0 and this 0. So we already have this 0, so just rewrite the third row first. Now for the second row, to get this 0, multiply the first row by -1 and add it up onto second row. -1 times 1, -1 plus 1, 0. -1 times -3, positive 3, -2, positive 1, 0 plus 1, 1. -1 times -1, positive 1, plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. Alright. Now let's move on. So I have this one. Oh, very good. So we have this one too. So we save 1. So you don't have to do something to get 1 right there. Okay, the next step is to get the entries above and below 0. So for the top one first, to get this entry 0, multiply second row by positive 3 and then add it up onto the first row. 0 plus 1, 1. 3 times 1, 3, minus 3, 0. 3 times 1, 3, plus 0, 3. 3 times 1, 3, minus 1, 2. 3 times 1, 3, plus 0, 3, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now for the third row, to get this 0, multiply second row by -1 and add it up onto the third row. 0, 0, 0, of course. -1 plus 1, 0. -1 plus 2, positive 1. -1 plus 0, -1. -1 plus 0, -1. 0 plus 1, 1. Alright. Now, very good. We have another one right here, so we do nothing to get 1. Alright, now this becomes my new pivot. So again, your goal is to get the entries above 1, 0. Okay, so I'm going to make this become 0 first. So multiply the row by -1 and add it up onto second row. -1 times 1, -1 plus 1, 0. -1 times -1, positive 1 plus 1, 3, plus 1, 2. -1 times -1, positive 1 plus 1, 2. -1 times -1 times 1, -1 plus 0, -1. Alright. Now make this become 0. Multiply the third row by -3 and add it up onto the first row. -3 times 1 plus 3, 0. -3 times -1, positive 3 plus 2, 5. -3 times -1, positive 3 plus 3, 6. -3 times 1, -3 plus 0, -3. Alright. So after you've done that, you see that you have a base matrix here, and on the right side it will be your A inverse, the inverse matrix of a matrix A. So here's your inverse matrix A. That's it.
If you find the video is helpful, feel free to give it a like, share, and subscribe to my channel in order to receive the most current videos. Don't forget to hit the bell so that you won't miss anything. I'll see you next time.